Another day, another English lesson. Adding up to verbs to mean finish or complete.
Hello, everyone. We often add the small word up to a verb to mean that an action is finished or done completely. Examples: drink up, finish your drink. Eat up your food, finish all your food. Clean up your room, make everything tidy. Without up, the verb has the general meaning. With up, it means do it fully, completely, or until nothing is left. More examples: use up the milk. Don't leave any in the bottle. Finish up your homework. Complete it soon. Pack up your clothes. Put them all in the bag. Important: not all verbs work this way with up, but when they do, it usually means finish or complete something. Now complete the sentences with the present tense or imperative form of the verb in parentheses. Add up if necessary. One, birds eat seeds from feeders. Two, cows drink water from the river. Three, use up the rest of the dish soap before opening the new bottle. Four, they clean the windows 4 times a year. Five, eat up your fries before they get cold. Six, they use candles for light and heat during power outages. Seven, drink up your juice. I need to wash the dishes. Eight, clean up the spilled milk immediately. I hope you enjoyed this worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.